Hello and welcome to this lesson. Okay, after creating a new document, this is what you will see. So this is the CorelDRAW user interface, but it actually depends on how you customize your CorelDRAW. So you might see this directly without even seeing the welcome screen, depending on how you customize your CorelDRAW. Now let's go through them one after the other. So the first bar here is called the title bar. This bar now, of course, it shows the name of the software itself, that is the CorelDRAW, and of course it will show the title of your document. Flyer 1, this is what we named our document, and if this file is already saved, it will even show the folder in which the file is located. Okay, the next one we have here is what the menu bar, and this menu bar now, they contain all the menu here that you are seeing now. They have the drop down menu like this file. Now if you click on it now, you will see all other options within this file menu, that you can create your new document here, and the shortcut key is Ctrl N. If you hold down Ctrl key and press letter N on your keyboard, it will create a new document for you. New from template, maybe you have your template saved already. Opened, this one is to open the document that you have already. This one is the recent, what you work on recently, so we cannot talk about. This one is where you can bring your resources like your images and export. Like when you are done, you know, after import you export. When you are done, you can see that it's gray out now because we've not done anything. Under edit, we have undo, redo, copy and paste. Of course they will be gray out because you've not done anything, and you cannot copy what you don't have. We don't have anything here, so you cannot copy that. You cannot paste what you've not copied. So view, under view, we have a page. We have like this one, grid rulers, and of course enhance, how your CorelDRAW appears. If you put it on this normal now, it won't appear like very advanced like this. It will look as if your computer is not well driven or something like that. We have the layout, where you can insert a new page, create a duplicate of your page, rename, and so on. You can see up there. So we cannot go through all of this now because this video will be too long. If we should go through all of this now, this video is going to be too long. So we have the next one here is what is standard toolbar. This standard toolbar now, it contains a shortcut to this menu bar. Okay, most of the things that you are seeing here, there are things that are found within this menu. For example, now this one is to create a new document. It's under file, you see. This next one, open, is still under file. I showed you earlier. You can go back and check again. We have this one, almost undo, redo. Of course I've shown you before. This one where you can import your file. Okay, you can see. So if you click on it now, you can import anything you want. Open. You can then click once, so you drag it to the file size. If this is the size that you want, you do it like this and you add it. And if you want to export this thing out now, you use this one. Okay, so this is the zoom level, this is the full screen mode. If you click on it, it will allow, maybe when you are done designing and you want to preview your work to see how it will look, you can just use this full screen mode. Okay, we have this one, rulers. Of course it's showing already. This is our rulers, and these rulers now we can bring out guidelines. Okay, like if you want to align your whatever you are working on, it will help you to align your work properly. You can see. So these are our guidelines, and this is the ruler. So in case you are not seeing your own, you can go to view rulers. If you uncheck this one now, they will disappear. If you check it again, just like that. So you can select this one now, Ctrl A to highlight the rest of them. Now you just hit your delete key and they are gone. Okay, so we have a grid. This one will help you to align your document properly as well. You can see You can even customize it to increase the size of this to whatever you want, but that's not what we are talking about now. The rest of them you can just check them out. Okay, this launch now, it has other software that comes with a CorelDRAW, okay, like this photo paint, and so we'll learn more about them as we move on. So the next bar here is a property bar. This bar now is contains some like important functions related to the tool you are working on. Like this is you can set your page size here, you can see, and you can also customize it. You change it from here, you can change the unit. But let's assume now that we've selected a tool here, like this rectangle tool for example. Now you can see that it changes to most of the things that they know that you will make use of. If I want to use this rectangle tool now, you just click and drag and you have it like this. So you can change the size of this rectangle. This is normally locked, so you can change the size of this rectangle either by clicking and dragging it like this, or you come to this place and what you input your value, like let's say 500, and see how big it is now. So let me undo, and you can come to this and bring it to page. Okay, so that is it, just to show you how that works. So you have it here. So the next one here is this tab now shows your documents. Okay, this is the welcome to wherever. For if I should create more here, it's going to show here just like a tab or a web tab that if you have multiple documents here, it will show all of them. Yeah, you can click to switch between your documents. So the next one we have here, we explain the ruler. So the next one we have here is the vertical toolbox. Okay, this is the vertical toolbox or vertical toolbar. So this one now contains tools that is used for creating and editing in CorelDRAW. Like you want to draw now, you can say I use this one to draw this. I can use this one to crop. You can see it's a crop tool. I can use it to crop something out. I can use my text tool to type, of course, and others like that. So if you see this small sign here, it shows that there are other tools within this particular tool. It has other related tools there. So if you click on this now, it will to bring out other tools that are similar to this one. Or you long press on this one, you click and hold, and it will show. So if you don't want to click here, you click and hold. So you can see you cannot talk about all of these tools now because it will make our video too long. This is the polygon tool. You can simply click and drag, and you have the pentagon. You can go to property bar and increase the size to hexagon. And of course you can rotate it the way you want. So CorelDRAW is not something very difficult, just learn how to use it. Okay, the entire space you have here, the entire space you have here is what your drawing window, and the entire space, and within the drawing window you have the drawing page. Okay, so this drawing page now is like the rectangle. You can see it's a form of a rectangle. It can be square depending on how you set it up from here. So and this is where your design elements are placed. Like when you are designing something now, this is where you design on and you export it out, not these ones. Okay, so the next one we have here is what I have not explained. This one, add frequently used items or remove unused items. Okay, you can check it out. You can see you can look at other ones that in case you are particular ones that you like using or you don't use, so you can edit them. Next one we have here is what this scroll bar. Like now, if you zoom in now, just use your normal scroll wheel on mouse to zoom in. So you can use this bar, this scroll bar now to move like this, side to side or top to bottom. Okay, so that is what that one does. The next one we have here is a document navigator. Okay, you can see this one now. It will allow you to move between pages when you are working on multi-page documents. For example, now this is page 1. You can simply click to add more pages. You can see page 2, page 3, page 4. You can click here click here, or you just come here and what next 2 3 4, look at it, or you click here to bring it to page 1. That is 1 of 4, and here to the last page. Okay, so that's what that one does in summary. So we have you can do other things, but let's move on for now. So we have this one is what your document palette. This one now it shows all the colors they use. Like, let me move back to page 1. So you can see nothing is here now except this null fill. Nothing is filled. So if I should click on this now and select any color from here, it will be added to this list. And in case I like this color now, you can see I'll just pick this one, click on that color, and it will appear. You see it? You can see, try it out. Look at this one, and the color will be added. So that is for sure. It allows you to be consistent in your designs instead of having to come here to pick all the time. I even make a mistake to pick a different color, but once the colors are already here and you keep using it from here, you'll be consistent. Okay, so the next one we have here is the status bar, and it shows you information on any particular object selected. Like this one, I selected this one. It's showing me the polygon with 6 sides on layer 1. You can see the information about it, the color, see the fill color, look at the outline. This fill color now, if I should click on this second one now, it will disappear because that one does not have fill, it only have outline. Or this one, what it has both the fill and the black outline, this line stroke, this line around them. So that is it on that. To be very fast. And the next one here is a Docker window. Okay, so this one now it shows some important things. Like this one now will give you hints on how a particular tool can be used, just a brief one, not in detail. Okay, so you cannot just follow it to master it like that. It's very hard to follow them because they'll just give you a basic properties. You can see the outline, everything about the object fill, and we have the object. So all these ones now we'll learn about them later. So if you want to add more, you click here, you add anyone that you want to be added. Like if I check this one now, I will have it here. Okay, or maybe you can go to your window, Dockers, this one, and you pick anyone from here and you see it there. Okay, so the next one we have here is the color palette. This one now just like a group of colors. Okay, you can work on the maybe RGB, CMYK, or maybe if you customize your color, you decide to save this color now, you see it here if it is saved. So, and you can as well customize your CorelDRAW. You can make this theme to be dark instead of seeing white everywhere. You can make it dark. That is dark theme, and you can also move these ones to here. But before we'll be able to move anything here, you can see I will not be able to move anything here. But let me go to my Windows toolbars and what you uncheck this one. If I should uncheck this one now, you see this kind of dot, so I can click and detach it. You see, from there I can come to this side as well. Let me move only this one. Okay, maybe I don't like the way it is like this. I don't like the way this one is located there, so I can decide to bring this one. I can decide before you release it. Just look at this color that is giving me. You can see if you release it, it's going to what? Come to this side. Okay, you can move this one as well. Look at the view first, not like this. Like this, nothing will happen. Let it be like this first. Let it show this sign, and you release, and you have it there. But okay, I don't enjoy it like that, so I will have to bring it back. Okay, bring it back to their position. Okay, and this one also go back to where it was before. Okay, it was somewhere around here before. So that is it for now. In our next class we'll learn more on how to use CorelDRAW. My name is Mustafa Lawal. Thank you and have a nice day.